Okay, let's make a start. It's IELTS speaking part one, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions, and you have to answer.
Okay.
What type of gifts do you receive on your birthday or other occasions?
Mostly I receive gifts in clothes because everyone, my family members my family members know I like clothes very much. That's why I receive clothes mostly.
Okay. On what occasions do people give gifts?
Uh, mm, my birthday on
Okay,
my
people, I'm talking about people now. So people usually give
my
gifts on birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, something like that. I ask you again. On what occasions do people usually give gifts?
on birthday, many people give gift like watches, handbag, and also mention clothes. On the wedding, many people give dress, like dresses, otherwise cosmetics things.
Okay, what's your favorite gift?
My favorite gift is my favorite gift is watch
Why?
because I like wristwatch very much, and I have many quality of watches,
I
and
have different kinds of
I
watches,
have
or I
different
have a
kinds.
good collection of watches.
Okay, I have many kinds of watches, good collection of watches, and that's why I wristwatch compulsory with my dress.
Okay, I think wristwatch is compulsory with my dress.
With
So
my
try to give full answer,
okay.
brush up your basic English, it will be fine. Now it's your turn, please. Let's make a start. Do you like movies or do you
No,
watch movies?
I don't like movies because according to my point of view, it is a waste of time. So that's why I don't like
Okay,
this.
what do you do in your free time?
In free time I want to read novels, Urdu novels. So it's feel me happy. So I
It's feel me happy, grammatically wrong. It makes me feel happy.
happy.
And your answers are extremely short. So you need to elaborate your answer. Okay, what's your favorite novel and why?
My favorite novel is Pakistani Urdu writer Umaira Ahmed and Nimra Ahmed.
I'm
Specific
talking about novel, not the novelists. So you should focus novel first,
my
and then you
favorite
can talk about novelists.
My favorite novel is Namal because it's related to my field law, so that's why I like this novel.
Okay, why do some people find reading novels boring?
Because it's depend on her
It
interest.
depends on their interest.
It depends on
It depends.
It depend on their interest. Some people feel happy to read novel, and other feel bored.
Okay, so you need to focus your sentence structure, grammar, tenses especially, then you'll be fine. And try to expand your answer. There should be at least 5, 6 sentences in each answer, right? Thank you so much.